Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem minimum number of arrows to worst balloons. So there are some spherical balloons spread in two-dimensional space. For each balloon, provided input is the start and end coordinate of the horizontal diameter. Since it is a horizontal, y coordinate doesn't matter, and hence the x coordinate of start and end of the diameter suffice. The start is always smaller than the end. An arrow can be shoot up to exactly vertically from different point along the x-axis. A balloon with x start and x end worst y an arrow and shot at x if x is less than or equal to x of end or greater than or equal to x of start. Given there is no limit to the number of arrows that can be shot, an arrow once keep this. So what is this problem is, basically we are given balloons, and balloons are aligned on the x axis like this, and given the coordinates of their x start, y start, like this can be possible. Like these can be three balloons which is has the x start this point 1, let's say 1, and this let's say 3, this let's say 2, and this is somewhere 6, and this is somewhere let's say assumption just 5 to 7. So like this we will get this pair start and end in the points array with x start and x end, and we have to find out the minimum number of arrows that we have to shoot. So what we do, if we shoot over here, this will shoot at 3 both the balloons, and if we shoot over here, for shooting this we have to shoot some arrow here. So we need at least 2 arrows to shoot these 3 balloons. So let's take another example where we have 10, 16, 2, 8, 1, 6 and 7, 2. So this problem is very similar to this set of problems we have solved in the previous challenges, and this problem just we solved in the October challenge itself. And if you are solved this problem, any of one of the solution, then this problem is straightforward. You will easily get the idea and solve it. So for solving this, what we will do, we will sort the array points basically. So let's say we have this points array, and we will sort this points array based on the end index. Greedily we will first sort this based on the end index. So let's take this example first. So 10, 16, then 2, 8 and 1, 6. So 1, 6 will come first. So this will be somewhere 1 to 6. Then another will come 8, 2 to 8. So 2 to 8 will come somewhere here, 8 and 2. And the third one is 7 to 12. So 7 to 12, let's say somewhere 7 to 12. And the last is from 10 to 16. So 10 is somewhere and 10 to 16. So these are the 4 balloons. X coordinates are given us like this. So for worsting this arrow, first one, we need one sort anywhere in between 1 to 6, including these edges 1 and 6. So what we will do after sorting, we will greedily try to sort over here at the end of this. So if we sort this, this will worst this balloon as well. Then we will remove this balloon in along with this arrow itself. So we will need one arrow over here. Then this 2 balloon already was, then we will move to this balloon, and if we short it here over here 12, this will was this as well. So we need the total 1 sort here, and 1 plus 1, we need the total 2 arrows to short all these worst all these 4 balloons. So this you must have got the idea. Now you can pause the video and try it, implement yourself first the code. So let's see another example. In this example we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2. So this will be 1, 2 somewhere, and then 3, 4. 3, 4 start from here 3, 4, and after that we have 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6 somewhere here and 7, 8. So if you see, these all 4 balloons are independent. There is no overlap between any of these balloons interval basically if we treat it as intervals. So hence we need the total 4 arrows to sort individual balloons. Hence the answer is 4. So this is the 4. So this is the way we can solve. Let's see the constraint like length can be 10 to the power 4 and this. So let's quickly implement. So for implementation we will use the array sort method. You can use the sorting method in your choice of language. In Java I am using arrays.sort, and I will pass the points. So if I get the 2 point, let's say A and B, then I will just sort based on their integer dot compare compare A of 1 with B of 1. So we will sort in the ascending order of AND. So why I am using this integer compare method? Like earlier I generally used to use like A of 1 A of 1 minus B of 1, but if you see over here the ranges of start or end is very wide. This also include the negative infinity plus the positivity. If in the test case, so there are some test case which will while give like this kind of test case in this problem. If we do A minus B, these two if I am sorting based on the start index, so this problem can also be solved based on the start index as well. So in that case it does matter, like it can go the int overflow. So let's first solve based on the, this is the better way to sort based on the and then use. So let define int arrow. So first interval we always need to select, so we will start arrow with the 1, and int and of the first value is points of 0 comma 1. And also the base case we can check, if there is no values in our points array, then we will just return the 0. So after defining this all, we will iterate all the values from I is equal to 1 and I less than points dot length and I plus plus. Now for checking this condition, what we will do, if the points, we will compare the AND with the points of I of 0 start. If point of start is greater than current AND, then we have to take another arrow and update our arrow plus plus and update our AND with the AND of this point, the current point we are processing. So we will update this with the AND of this point. So this is how, and after trying all the values we will return the arrow as our answer. So let's compile the code, and if you see it is working, let's submit the code. It is accepted. So what is the time complexity? So the time complexity, this is the dominant part which takes n log n. So hence the time complexity of our solution is n log n, and the space complexity, just we are using constant, two constants, so it's a constant. This we can also solve based on the sorting of the start and then followed by AND. Like these points we can sort based on the start index, but we need to change the condition where, like, we will check the first condition as it is this, but in the second condition we need to update the AND by the minimum of the current AND, this AND, or the like old AND and the upcoming AND. If it is not, in case of else, like we will put this else. So let's do quickly by sorting based on small as well. Let's do it. So this will become here, and in this case if it is, this condition will be as it is, while here in else we will do the AND as math dot min of and the point, this end of the current point balloon. So let's compile this. I guess it should work, but you can try it out. And so if you like my solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. So it is accepted as well.